This is the garage to this lovely house in Benamocarra. As you can see, it's very spacious. There's an integral door which leads up to the house, so you could drive in and then enter the house. There's electricity and water, and the height of these ceilings, I think you could put a mezzanine floor in there easily. Storage cupboard, and then at the very back here there's an extra room. There's no lights in here at the moment, although there is power in here. Again, this has got the very, very high ceilings. There is a water deposit, but it's not been used in 21 years. There is water in it, it does work. There is a pump. It was put in just in case the water was ever disconnected in the village, but that hasn't happened. This is also where the hot water boiler is situated. This house has got lots and lots of potential. This, I don't actually know if I'll be able to show you it, but this goes down to a basement. I don't think we can see this. So this here is absolutely huge. I can't see. So this area is the whole of the under of the house, and the current owner had an idea as to put it into a music room, big music studio, but it's changed their mind. So, but that's the potential that's in this house. We'll go upstairs and look at the main house now. So this is the first floor. Kitchen is straight ahead, and it's got a lovely terrace. The neighbour has actually put a roof on theirs with a opening, so you could put the shutter down or leave it open. There's water and electricity outside as well. This is the kitchen. It's a great area. And then from here back into the hallway, and there is not just a toilet, but there's also a shower on this level as well. There's a shower, sink and a toilet. And as you can see, there's marble staircase. And then into the living room, which has a glassed glazed door into the living room, so you can shut it to make it nice and cosy in the winters. Fireplace, open fireplace. As you can see, it's a spacious room with a big dining room table, which could definitely seat 6, if not 8 people. And there's a Juliet balcony, which overlooks the street, just here. And then we go up to the next floor where the bedrooms are. So this is the bedroom level. There are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom on this level. So this bedroom here has a single bed in it, but it's definitely spacious enough to put in a double bed. And this window looks out over the terrace, which is off of the kitchen. Bathroom, which has a bath, full-size bath. And then there are 2 more bedrooms, which are very spacious. Both of these bedrooms have built-in wardrobes, Juliet balconies. I'll show you, this is the smaller bedroom of the 2. And this is school at the end. It is a residential road. Don't really see many cars up and down here. As I say that, a van drives past. This is a big bedroom. There's a single bed in here at the moment, but you could easily fit a king-size bed in here and still have room. As I said, wardrobes. Back out into the hallway, into the 3rd bedroom, which again has a king-size bed in here. Has larger wardrobes, so a lot more space in this wardrobe. And this also has a Juliet balcony looking out over the street. School at the end. At the end there you can see the greenery. That's the actual the children's playground, and there's a little park area with some exercise machines, table tennis, I think possibly petanque as well, but don't quote me on that. And then back into the hallway, and you go up to the final floor where there's a lovely roof terrace. So this is the actual top floor, which is a roof terrace. This doesn't work. It needs to be replaced or completely removed, but it's so private. It would make an ideal place to stick a jacuzzi. And then there's obviously this lovely roof terrace. And it's a bit cloudy today, but normally there is La Maroma. But it's behind clouds this morning. It's still warm, it's behind clouds. And if we look just down the street, at the end of the street here, there's a children's playground, there's some exercise machines and an area to play petanque and a table tennis. As you can see, that's Malaga. So we're really close to absolutely everything here. And just there in front of us, just here, is a local school. This would make an amazing family home, and everything's here, you know, walking distance to the shops, the school. Yeah, if you'd like to see it, contact us.